What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing and giving you guys the review of Alicia Keys' new skincare line called Soulcare. Alright you guys, so opening up the packaging, you have this cute little affirmation right here, as well as some informational cards that we'll go through later in the video. The first item I ended up picking up was the golden cleanser, and I did also go ahead and get the Luminous Exfoliator. I also picked up the skin transformation cream, as well as the sage and oat milk candle. I then did get the comforting balm, and they did throw in this Palo Santo stick as well. These are some cue cards that just give you some great information about everything that's in the line, and this is just what everything looked like outside of the packaging. Also, you'll find on the box and even on the bottles and packaging of all these items as well that there's just these cute little quotes that are there, so as you're grabbing the products, as you're using them, you can just have a quick glance and be reminded of just something really nice and sweet, like the Luminous Exfoliator. I am layered, complex, and divine. They put a lot of thought and detail into the packaging and the overall bottling and look of this entire brand, but at the same time there is like a simplicity to it, and we all love that. It's all glass bottles, they're purple and black, and has a very luxe feel. So the first step in my skincare routine immediately after removing all of my makeup is to use some type of exfoliant, just because the way my skin is set up, I just need a daily exfoliant. I don't need anything too rough or aggressive, but an exfoliant is necessary in my daily routine. So I went in with the Luminous Exfoliator. Now when you think of an exfoliator, you guys think of the traditional liquid cleanser with the beads. This is not like that at all. And the exfoliator is described as a water activated powder, which that is true, formulated with hojicha powder, mung beans, oats, and lactic acid that transforms into a gentle creamy foam to gently buff away dullness and reveal your true radiance. Skin feels soft and smooth. This is pure sand, I would say, and then you are supposed to mix it with water. Now what I don't recommend if you are going to be using this is to lather your hands with the water too much. Just put enough water in there just to kind of get it to a pasty consistency, and then with the remaining grains in your hand, I would recommend then you start exfoliating your face and cleansing it. That way you can still get that exfoliating effect. But this product will break down after you've been rubbing it into your skin for a while, and it will lose that exfoliating texture. I think it's smart how they did that, because the grains, the exfoliant does break down. It's a lot better to go down your sink and through the pipes. You can't save the world, but each step counts, right? And I think that's great that they did that, so you're not having those plastic that's usually found in exfoliants going into places that it shouldn't be. I really enjoy this. The second item I went in with was the golden cleanser. This cleanser is extremely delicate and is described as a golden manuka honey infused facial cleanser. It is formulated with soothing turmeric and chamomile to help remove makeup, dirt, and impurities, and is intended to just leave your skin feeling nice and soft. I found this item to smell delicious. It was super creamy, super lathery, felt super luxurious on the skin, and overall I was very happy with this cleanser, and I will be using this more regularly. And it is designed to be used twice a day. So once my face was completely cleansed, I then went ahead and went in with the Skin Transformation Cream. This cream is described as potent yet gentle, clean formula that hydrates and nourishes for a plumped skin finish. Bakuchiol, malachite, which is also known as the stone of transformation, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid, all found in this cream to help renew your skin. The cream is definitely a more of a thicker consistency. Again, the smell is just absolutely incredible, and it is something I will be reaching for and using. It went on very nicely. Like I said, it is thicker, so I would probably just use this during the night when I go to bed. The next item I ended up picking up was the Comforting Balm, and this item is described as a multi-use balm that can be used on your lips, elbows, cuticles, or pretty much any dry areas. It is petroleum free and powdered by desert rose and nourishing butters and oils. It is also vanilla infused, which soothes, smooths, hydrates, and protects. And I did just go ahead and put this balm like on my lips, a little bit on my cuticles. Smells amazing, feels really nice. The consistency is wonderful. I will be so I had to do it. I also did pick up the sage and oat milk candle. It was pricey, but oh my god, I can't even describe to you how delicious and amazing this candle smells. It's almost intoxicating. You ever smell a candle so good that it just feels like it just runs through your entire body? I'm very happy with this, and I feel like I'm only going to use this on those nights and days that I've had really long days at work, long days at home, and I just need to set the ambiance and the mood, just to replenish my soul. I will definitely be lighting this. And if you guys don't get anything else, if you just need to get one item, I would really recommend this candle. And then the last thing that did come into my package, I didn't order this, is this Palo Santo stick. And the Palo Santo stick is described as a citrusy cousin to frankincense and myrrh. And the background of the Palo Santo stick is that it has been used and burned for centuries by South American shamans, or shamans, however you say it, to remove negative energy and promote a sense of tranquility. And you're just supposed to light this stick whenever you need to just have a reset and come back to your center. This is something you are supposed to light and just kind of circulate around in the room just to spread out some of the aroma of this Palo Santo stick. And I think in conjunction with all of the facial products that you're using and stuff like that, it does create an overall mood and a vibe. It definitely is a vibe, just to add to the ambiance of your skincare routine. If you're going to be in the bathroom, just close the door, light this guy up, and then go ahead and do the rest of your skincare. And it's just different. I haven't seen anybody else or any other brand do anything like this before, so it's fun, it's interesting. I'm here for it, you know. So yeah, don't smoke it though. I'm a huge Alicia Keys fan. I love her. If you guys follow her on Instagram or anything, you see how she's such a huge advocate for just peace and tranquility and just, you know, having that type of life and lifestyle. When she came out with her own skincare line, that it was just gonna be bomb, and you guys, she delivered. All right, she did not hold back. She had incorporated a lot of ingredients that I've never heard of before. When you look up these ingredients and you see what they're good for, it just makes you that much more better about using it. And it seems like she and her team definitely did their homework and were very specific about what they wanted to include in these products. And just as a consumer or a customer, I definitely appreciate that. Soulcare is so fitting. It definitely feels like much more than just skincare. You really do get the feeling of the Soulcare, and I think they did a wonderful job not just creating great consistencies in all of the products that they've created, but also the smell. It is crazy just how a smell can really have a much bigger and better effect on something that you're using. And it's very rare for me to try pretty much multiple things from a line and like every single thing, and I genuinely liked every single thing that I got my hands on. Also definitely be a great gift to somebody, or maybe you just had a routine that was just mundane and you want to spice it up, you want to switch it up. This, I think, would be a great option. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Comment down below if you guys did get your hands on it, and if you did, what's your favorite product from the line. Let's talk about it, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.